In this video, you'll learn how to find your Trust Wallet private key. This process involves navigating through the Trust Wallet extension and accessing your wallet's security settings to view your secret phrase. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. You can do this by typing www.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. The Google homepage should appear displaying the search bar prominently in the center of the screen. Next, search for the Trust Wallet extension. Type Trust Wallet extension into the Google search bar and press enter. Look for the official Trust Wallet extension link in the search results. Click on this link to access the extensions page where you can install or open it if already installed. Once the Trust Wallet extension is open, locate the settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon, often found in the upper right corner of the extension window. Click on this icon to enter the settings menu where you can manage your wallet. After accessing the settings menu, look for the option labeled Manage Wallet. This option allows you to access various wallet management features. Click on Manage Wallet to proceed to the next step. Now, find and click on the mnemonic option. This will take you to a section where you can view important recovery phrases related to your wallets. Selecting this option is crucial for retrieving your secret phrase. Following this, click on the Seed Phrase option. This section typically contains your wallet's recovery phrase, which is essential for wallet recovery in case you lose access. Once you click this option, you will be directed to a new screen. Next, click on the secret phrase option. This action will lead you to the area where you can manage and view your secret phrase securely. It is vital to handle this information with care. After clicking on secret phrase, you will see a message prompting you to view your secret phrase. This message confirms that you are on the right track to retrieving this sensitive information. Pay attention to any warnings about the importance of keeping this phrase secure. You will then be prompted to type in your password. Enter your wallet password into the provided field to gain access to your secret phrase. Ensure that you enter it accurately to avoid any access issues. Once you enter your password, a warning message will appear reminding you not to share your secret phrase. It is crucial to understand that anyone with access to this phrase can steal your funds. Take this warning seriously and keep your phrase private. Finally, click on the Verify button to confirm your identity. After verification, look for the Reveal option to display your secret phrase. This will allow you to view the private key necessary for accessing your wallet and managing your... That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.